Hi DMsters! Another day, another vlog. Samahan niyo naman kami sa Calamba, Laguna as we go to our 10th reunion together with our DBME brothers and sisters.
Turn left. Then turn left.
7 p.m. ang check-in but since meron pang work, kaya sumunod na lang kami sa venue. Same with our past reunions, before kami mag-sharing as a couple, we will start the session in praying the rosary. After praying the rosary, it will be followed by sharing as a couple. Mauuna muna yung shepherd namin na sina Sister Ces and Brother Mon in sharing theirs, then isa-isa kaming tatawagin in front. After our sharing, kainan time na. Patla kami sa mga food to bring. Sobrang dami namin pagkain at ang sasarap lahat. Kompleto yung mga dala namin pagkain. Meron kaming pansit, merong pork, fish, chicken, and meron ding sinigang. Very special din tong reunion na to kasi kasama namin yung mga family members namin and we get to celebrate with them in this reunion. Dito nga pala kami nagstay sa Maffles Resort located at South Spring Villas Extension, Calamba City, Laguna. The place is really spacious. Meron silang 4 na rooms sa taas. Malalaki yung rooms and meron silang 2 pools for kids and for adults. They also have 2 CRs, isa sa kwarto sa taas and isa rin sa baba. Kasya kami lahat, nasa 30 packs kami including kids. Meron din silang malakas na Wi-Fi connection, may videoke, and meron ding area for cooking. Ang titibay nga sa lamig nitong mga kids, kahit gabi na enjoy pa rin sila mag-swimming. Nakikanta rin muna kami sa videoke ni Chandra before sleeping. Rise and shine, good morning! Kain muna tayo ng breakfast before swimming in the pool. For breakfast, we had tapa, corned beef, egg, hot dog, lumpiang Shanghai, and fruits. Majority of us is umaga nag-swimming kasi nga malamig yung tubig kagabi. Malinis ang pool nila at wala kang malalasahang chlorine. May mga vendors ng ice cream na nag-aalok, kaya tignan nyo naman tong dalawang to, kahit na nagsaswimming, kumakain pa ng ice cream. And here are the underwater shots. I'll put the link in the comment section kung gusto nyo ring bumili ng underwater camera. Last hooray for swimming while the rest are preparing to go home. At ito nga si Jace, videohan ko raw siya. Nauna na nga sila at kami na lang ang naiwan. So nag-videoke muna ang mag-ate while we are waiting for dad to pack our things. Ang gagaling naman kumanta. Thank you brothers and sisters, nag-enjoy talaga kami. 11 a.m. ang checkout namin sa resort. Dumaan muna kami dito sa Ayala Malls Vermosa to have our quick lunch. Meron ding mini playground dito sa Vermosa Mall so naglaro muna ang mga bagets. Sa DBME, hindi lang kami magkakaibigan but we are a family. Totoo talaga na sa Don Bosco masaya, sama-sama. Appreciate following our page for more family adventures. Thank you for watching. Buyers!